Welcome to Cassia Naturals. Welcome to hair tutorials. Healthy lifestyle, flawless skin, DIY. Welcome to Cassia Naturals tutorials. Welcome to Cassia Naturals. Welcome to hair tutorials. Healthy lifestyle, flawless skin, DIY. Welcome to Cassia Naturals tutorials. Welcome to Cassia Naturals. Welcome to hair tutorials. Healthy lifestyle, flawless skin, DIY. Welcome to Cassia Naturals tutorials. Welcome to Cassia Naturals. Hello dear friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome to this video. I'm going to show you how to make peppermint infused oil. So if you're new on my channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe now. So we're going to use 100 grams of our oil. That is actually, grapeseed oil, and our peppermint, as you can see. Actually, that is 50 grams of our peppermint. So peppermint is used as in shampoo, cleansers, both products like lotions and etc. But the benefits of peppermint goes beyond cosmetics. So peppermint solution promotes hair growth. According to a study published in Toxicological Research, suggests that peppermint is used, to uh, for hair loss. Like it performed better actually as a hair growth than minoxidil, which is a hair growth product approved by the United States Food and Drug Administration, the FDA. So the menthol, the main component in peppermint oil, has been shown to increase blood circulation to the area it is applied. It is actually rich in menthol, which helps hair growth because of its ability to stimulate hair growth and increase blood flow to the scalp and hair roots, which promotes healthy hair follicles and longer, fuller hair. So peppermint is anti-inflammatory and microbial. Some people have used the oil as a remedy for the loss of hair. This is because of the menthol, in which peppermint oil is a vasodilator, which improves blood flow to the scalp. So in many instances, such as in female or male baldness pattern, hair loss occurs due to starved blood flow to the hair follicles. Increasing circulation with peppermint could potentially improve hair growth and prevent some hair loss. So peppermint, of course, which had menthol, it has menthol. The menthol which is in peppermint also impart a refreshed, smell and tinging sensation on the skin and the scalp. So, like friends, I'm telling you, the smell was so potent. Yes, and we've added in our oil, and we have just given it a simple stir there, and then we have got it our pot. So we are going to do a water bath. Yes, on low heat. So I'm going to leave it on heat for 1 hour 30 minutes. This is very important so that your oil is so infused. So of course, you know what, you don't have to mistake this oil with peppermint essential oil. These are different oils. So this oil, actually you can use it without being diluted, because this is just an infusion of peppermint oil, peppermint. So as you can see, it has started, infusing so well, and we're giving it a stir so that it is well combined. So you can use this oil actually, on the scalp if you have scalp issues. If your hair is not growing, this is going to help a great deal. So once it has cooled, you have to make sure that you strain it through. Use a fine strainer or any gadget that you have. Provided it works well, you can use it. Look at that, even the color has changed, meaning that it has infused very well. So you can add this oil into your shampoo, into your formulations, into your herbal hair growth oil. You can add it, to enhance your oil. So like I'll be using it for massaging my scalp, also to seal in the moisture. It can work in the lock method, liquid, oil, and cream. It can work a great deal. So comment in the section below, friends, if you have tried out peppermint infused oil or you are going to try out this oil. So those are the residues that we don't want. As you can see, you don't want that to be caught up in your hair. So our oil looks very clean and clear. There are no residues in there. Look at that, friends. Look at that beautiful color. I love, 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 love it very much. So like my favorite oil, actually, like when it comes to essential oil, is peppermint. So actually I'm trying out this infused peppermint oil, I think, for the first time. But of course I've done quite a number of infusions with different herbs, not only particularly with one herb, which is peppermint. So at this point now, we've gotten our bottle and we are packaging our oil. So comment in the section below, friends, and I really appreciate you guys, for watching my videos, for commenting. I love, interacting. Yes. And I really appreciate you, my subscribers. Yes, so if you haven't subscribed to our channel, you can click on that subscribe button and subscribe now. So that is how it looks like. So that is actually 200 grams. Yes, of course I had added in more oil, and look at that, friends. It has infused so well, and our peppermint oil is ready at this point. Look at that. So we're just giving it a little shake, and this doesn't need any preservative because there aren't any water in there. That is the advantage of oil. Like, you won't need a preservative. So at this point, I'm going to show you how I'm going to use it. Of course, I did mention that you can use it in different ways. So of course, like I'm in a twist protective hair challenge. If you've been on this channel, like I'm in a challenge of 6 months, and we are actually in the 5th month. So come June, we'll actually be in the 6th month, meaning that our challenge will end, and I'm going to definitely give an update on how our twists have worked, and if we have achieved our goal. So I'm going to use our hairspray and our peppermint oil. Actually, I've made quite a number of hairsprays, and sometimes I do forget the names. So I'm not so sure what that was, but of course I'll write it so that you'll be able to see it, and I'll link it in the description box below so that you can check it out. And then we are going to go in with our oil. So this is one way you can use this oil. Like you can use it to seal in the moisture. So I'm just showing you how you can actually, use it to seal in the moisture, and it will actually improve blood circulation. If you're trying out to grow your edges, it will also work. So comment in the section below, friends, and give this video a like. Yes, so I'm going to spray it I'm just going to spray it on the length, on the tip of our hair. I just want to moisturize the tip of my hair, which determine growth and also our edges, as you saw. So like, as you can see, we are just concentrating on the tip of our hair. And some naturals like prefer them as our ancestral, because they determine growth. So if your ends are breaking, it means you won't be able to see growth. So that's the reason why you need to be caring for the ends of the hair as well. Make sure that you don't neglect them, moisturize them. So like I normally do this once per week, depending on what I'm wearing. If I'm having twists, I can actually easily undo it. Yes, but if I suppose you can even moisturize in whatever protective towel you have, unless if you have a protective towel where you have no access to the scalp. Yes, so thank you so much, dear friends, for watching this video. Are you going to make this oil? Are you going to try out making peppermint infused oil? Comment in the section below, friends, or if you have tried it, what did you learn in this video? What did you like about this video? Comment in the section below, or what was your takeaway? Comment in the section below, dear friends. So thank you so much. God bless you, and I really appreciate you guys, for supporting me on this channel. Yes, continue like watching for Cassia Naturals and looking for more videos, because on this channel I upload videos every day. God loves you. Bye bye.